Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited about today's video. We are making another hair butter, guys, but this time around with Amla. For those of you that are not aware, Amla is very popular in the natural hair community. With the measurements I'm going to be using in today's video can be found in the description box. But the main things that I used are Amla powder, Shea Butter, and some oils of my choice. Whichever oil you decide to use, make sure that they are oils that actually work for you when it comes to hair growth. Some of the oils that I use include Sweet Almond Oil, Jamaican Castor Oil, Biotin, Amla, Fenugreek, and of course coconut oil. The exact measurements will be in the description box. So let's just talk about some of the benefits of Amla. Amla stimulates hair growth. The vitamin in Amla produces collagen. It thickens the hair while making it longer. It has dye properties that help prevent the premature graying of your hair. It reduces hair loss, prevents dandruff and dry scalp. It makes the hair shiny, and it helps in detangling for my ladies out there that their hair is always tangled up. Now, let's talk about coconut oil. Coconut oil is a big deal, guys, because people actually use it to cook. Some of the benefits of using coconut oil in the hair includes that it helps heal breakage. It repairs split ends. It contains vitamins and fatty acids. It fights dandruff as well, and it offers UV ray protection. So I'm very excited about this butter. But the little change that I'm going to make is to make sure that this particular butter is not as hard as my fenugreek butter. I actually aim to make this one softer compared to the fenugreek hair butter. Another key ingredient that I'll be using is the shea butter. For those that don't know the benefits, please check out my other videos. I will link it below. It talks about the benefits of shea butter. At this point, I have added all the oils that I want to use, and I am adding my shea butter. Some people melt it differently, but I'm choosing to add everything in one bowl and then do the double boiling method to melt everything. So I have my boiling water, so I'm going to put this bowl right into the boiling water. It took less than 2 minutes for everything to melt, which is why I recommend that the water is boiling, so that way you don't burn the nutrients of the oil because it's on fire for way too long. At this point, everything is melted, so I am going to strain the content of the bowl. Why? Because I used Amla powder, so I do not want to have the powder in my actual hair, which is why I am straining. Now, after straining, the powder will be left in whatever you use to strain. After that, you want to let the oil sit in room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes because you're actually letting it cool down. You do not want to place the hot oil in the freezer because it would take a longer period of time for it to harden. So the last time that I made a hair butter, which is the fenugreek hair butter, I didn't have an electric mixer, and it was so difficult to mix the content. I ended up using a spoon and something that we used to make fufu, and my guys, I have to say it was definitely difficult. This time around, I went and ordered an electric mixer, and I have to really tell you guys, it was so much easier and faster to mix the content, and everything went so smoothly. Now, this is what mine's look like. I had to transfer it to a bowl. Look at how beautiful this is. It was so easy. I mixed this in a very short period of time. As you're mixing, the color will change. So guys, you really have to be very patient and mix this the right way. Continue mixing. You're not really doing any manual job. You're just holding it, and the machine is doing what it has to do. This is what it looks like. So pretty. This is really pretty. As you guys can see, it's not hard. I didn't need to add any more oils to make it softer. It was the right way that it was supposed to be. And that's pretty much it. If you end up doing this, please let me know how it went. I really appreciate you guys supporting me time and time again. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Hit me up and tell me which videos you would like to see, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!